This is Eric Mwatha with Mwatha.com for October 11th, 2007. What would make a stock that was dormant, that did nothing for years, suddenly wake up and gain 100% in a week? Well, I'm gonna show you. Here we have a stock that was trading at this around the $1.10 area, and suddenly out of nowhere it moved from $1.10 all the way to above $2.30, all in just 7 days of action. So what made this stock that had not done anything for so long, for so many years, suddenly wake up and double in price? What you're gonna see is that when the stock breaks out and follows through in price, so we make a new high here and we follow through in price. You also see that at the time our indicators, as our trend lines were still starting to cross over right here, what they call a golden cross. When the 50-day moving average moves above the 200-day moving average, this becomes, to some, it is old school technical analysis, this becomes a buying point. So we had all those things going on for the stock again. So we break out above this level, and then you see that at the same time when all this was going on, you see that on on day one there was this above average volume spike, and day number 2 of the breakout was also on above average volume. We see that at the time our RSI moves above 68 on a daily basis. Our on balance volume also makes a new 1-year high. Our performance against the S&P 500 jumped to a new high, and we see that our MACD had already crossed over and was already trending higher, hence the sharp gain in price. The stock I'm talking about today is BCON, this being a 1-year daily chart. And what I'm looking at the stock right now is that the stock is trending towards new breakout past prior 52-week daily closing highs. So it's on a daily closing basis, the stock needs to move above $2.29 on above average weekly volume, and then this might become a stock that you may want to watch for a short-term gain. It's not one you want to hold on for too long. You just take what it gives you in a couple of weeks, a couple of days, and you're out. We see that we need our volume to spike when we break out. We need our RSI on a daily basis to move above 68. We see that our on balance volume is already at a new high. We want this performance against the S&P 500 to jump to a new high should we get the breakout, and we are seeing that our MACDs are already crossing over. So watch BCON for a daily breakout to brand new high. So next on the list is SIRI. I think we all know what this is. Stock is moving to new 6-month highs, and we're going to look at this from a 6-month perspective. We see we are moving above 352, which is 352 being the highest daily close in the last 6 months, and we just moved above that. Actually, we moved above that yesterday and followed through today, so it's very bullish. As we move above that level, we see that our volume is very heavy on both days with follow through. Our RSI is already above 68, very strong. We see on a 6-month basis our on balance volume is at a new high, and we also see that our performance against the market over the last 6 months is just about to get to a new high, very strong, and our MACD is already crossing over. So watch Sirius for a short-term trade. My speculation is that the stock might want to retest prior 1 year highs. So our initial target here in the next couple of weeks is gonna be the 450 area. Perhaps you might want to even attempt a move above that. This is Eric Mwatha with Mwatha.com. Peace and blessings to you. I am out, but I'll be back tomorrow. Bye.